Hey everyone, Archana here. I'm here with this little cute kit. It is not very huge kit, and I'm sure most of you like Minte papers. So upon a request, I created this kit using this beautiful collection, Happy Place. So let me show you the papers first. And these are 12 by 12 papers. You are getting 2 of each designs, and there are total 6 designs. So, and also you are getting this cutout sheet. So let's see what's in there. So you can see all the elements. You can easily fussy cut them. And then look at these beautiful images, and this color is so cute. It is like a very different color. It's not green, it is a sea foam, very different color. It's a mint color kind of, very cute. And these flowers are very unique colored flowers along with true pink color flowers. And backside has the script, very cute. This one has this cute bicycle and this hammock. You can see I'm in love with this hammock. Very cute, right? And all these flowers, beautiful. And backside has this one. And here is a window, big huge window with the shade, very cute. And a bench here, camera, and backside has some wooden panel. And this is floral page, very cute, very pretty. You can see all the small flowers, and these colors go well together, this kind of sea green or mint with pink color. And here is another floral page with bright yellowish kind of leaves here, and a plaid. And then we have all these cards here. You can see all the cute images from the collection all over on this page. And backside has the frames. And then we are back on this image. So these 2 sets are included in this paper pad. And let's see what I have it here for you. I'm so glad I found this color, this colored flowers by Prima. They are very old flowers, they are discontinued, but I'm so happy I have it. So this color, you can see, I will just open it and show you. So this color goes really well with this kit. So I have included this full flower pack and another flower pack also by Prima, and this color also goes well perfectly, the pink color, that like true pink color, very cute. And then I have added Prima's this resin. Prima stopped making all the shabby chic resins embellishments, but I'm so happy I had this bench. And since this kit has a bench, so I thought it will go well with the kit. And then this kit has a bike right here. So I have this bike die for you, and the size is really perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small. So I'm so happy I had this. So this bike die, cutting die is included. And then I have added this scrapnik chipboard piece, which is a sentiment. It says capture the moments, and since this kit has all the cameras, so I thought this is perfect sentiment for this kit. And I'm always trying my best to keep some sentiments in the kit, because I know a lot of you are album makers, so you need something for your front cover page. So this one. And then I have added these two this cute tassels in these 2 colors, goes well with the kit. And then I have these 2 1-yard seam bindings, and I added this yellow color, which gives really a cute touch. Since this has this kind of yellowish leaves, so I thought I will just add this seam binding along with the perfectly matched pink one. And you can even use these tassels to make your like bows or something like that. It is just an idea. So this is cute kit, and it is available at craftycity.com, so please go check it out. And I'll see you with next two beautiful kits which I have it recorded, so I just wanted to upload. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. And one more thing, there are only 2 days left to take an advantage of 10% off on everything, including all kits, sale items, everything at craftycity.com. And another reminder is my giveaway. My giveaway is open till June 4th, but I will extend it, since I can understand like this situation, and 4th July is coming up, so people might be busy. Really need your video responses, since I have 5 of the $25 gift cards and 10 of the $5 gift cards as a giveaway by craftycity.com, so do not miss it. And check it out, the giveaway link in the description box below. And whoever gave me a response and comments and all, so thank you so much again, and bye for now.